Hello, friends from every corner of the globe. Welcome to our digital gathering of mystery enthusiasts. In this virtual space, we peel back the layers of the unexplained, the intriguing, and the downright baffling. Today, we're setting our sights on a creature that has tickled our curiosity for centuries. The elusive Yeti, or as some may know it, Bigfoot. A shroud of mystery and lore surrounds this beast, and we're eager to delve into its depths. So buckle up, as we are about to dive into the world of the unknown. For centuries, tales of a large, hairy creature living in remote areas have captivated our imagination. Let's journey into the world of folklore and legend, a world inhabited by the mysterious creatures known as the Yeti and Bigfoot. Their stories are as old as the mountains and forests they are believed to inhabit, rooted deep in the cultures that birthed them. The Yeti, often referred to as the abominable snowman, is a legendary creature said to reside in the Himalayas. This enigmatic being has been a part of the local folklore for hundreds of years, with stories passed down from generation to generation. The Sherpa people of Nepal speak of a massive, hairy, bipedal creature shrouded in white, a symbol of the wild, untamed spirit of the mountains. Across the globe, in the dense forests of North America, another creature of similar description roams the wilderness. Bigfoot, also known as Sasquatch. Native American tribes have long told tales of a large, hairy, human-like creature standing at an imposing height of 7 to 10 feet. These stories have seeped into the mainstream culture with numerous reported sightings over the past century. Famous sightings such as the Patterson-Gimlin film of 1967, which allegedly captures a female Bigfoot mid-stride, and the Shipton's Yeti footprint photo from 1951 have added fuel to the fiery debate surrounding these creatures' existence. Stories of encounters, footprints in the snow, and eerie sounds in the wilderness continue to fascinate us, drawing us into the mystery and allure of the unknown. But as we delve into the legends of Yeti and Bigfoot, we're faced with the ultimate question. Are these creatures real? Are they biological entities, undiscovered by science, hiding in the farthest corners of the world? Or are they just figments of our imagination, symbols of our innate curiosity and fear of the untamed wild? Are these creatures real, or are they just figments of our imagination? Let's delve deeper. Reports of sightings, footprints, and even some photographs have been the key pieces of evidence in the existence of these creatures. Let's dive into the mystery and examine some of the most credible instances. Firstly, we have the famous Patterson-Gimlin film. In October of 1967, two adventurers, Roger Patterson and Robert Gimlin, captured footage of what they claimed to be Bigfoot in the wilds of Northern California. The film shows a large, hairy creature walking away from the camera, turning its head to look back at the men. The creature's size, gait, and anatomy were unlike any known animal, fueling the belief that this was indeed Bigfoot. While many have tried to debunk this footage, it remains one of the most compelling pieces of evidence for Bigfoot's existence. Moving to the heights of the Himalayas, we find another startling piece of evidence. In 1951, a British Mount Everest expedition stumbled upon a set of large, mysterious footprints in the snow. The expedition's leader, Eric Shipton, took photographs of the footprints, which showed a creature with a wide, large toe spread, unlike any known primate. This discovery sparked a worldwide fascination with the Yeti, the mythical creature of the Himalayas. Over the years, there have been countless other sightings and pieces of evidence. From the eerie howls heard in the Pacific Northwest, thought to be the calls of Bigfoot, to the strange, large nests found in the Russian taiga, believed to be the dwelling of the Yeti. There's even a hair sample found in Bhutan that defied DNA analysis, further adding to the mystery. These pieces of evidence are intriguing, no doubt. They have sparked countless expeditions, debates, and even scientific investigations. They've given rise to an entire subculture of Bigfoot and Yeti enthusiasts, dedicated to proving the existence of these elusive creatures. But as compelling as these pieces of evidence may be, they also invite a lot of skepticism. Is it all just a big hoax, a product of overactive imaginations? Or is there really something out there in the wilderness waiting to be discovered? Skeptics have been quick to point out inconsistencies and possible explanations for these sightings and pieces of evidence. As we delve into the world of skepticism surrounding Yeti and Bigfoot, it's important to remember that skepticism is not the enemy of curiosity. In fact, it's an essential part of any investigation. Questioning, probing, and scrutinizing are the building blocks of understanding. They pave the way to discern fact from fiction. One of the main reasons for skepticism is the high possibility of hoaxes. Over the years, there have been numerous instances where footprints, photos, and even video footage of these elusive creatures turned out to be nothing more than elaborate pranks. Some people, driven by a desire for fame or a twisted sense of humor, have admitted to fabricating evidence, muddying the waters of truth. Another reason for skepticism is the misidentification of animals. In the dense forests and harsh terrains where Yeti and Bigfoot are reported to dwell, it's easy for an observer to mistake a bear or large primate for something more mysterious. Even a simple shadow or an oddly shaped tree can play tricks on the mind, especially when fueled by fear or excitement. The lack of concrete scientific evidence is perhaps the most compelling reason for skepticism. Despite decades of reported sightings and countless expeditions, no one has yet managed to capture a Yeti or Bigfoot. There are no bodies, no remains, no undisputed DNA samples. Science, as we know, relies on tangible proof, and in the case of Yeti and Bigfoot, such proof remains elusive. Yet, despite the skepticism, the stories persist. Sightings continue to be reported, footprints continue to be found, and the legend continues to captivate us. The naysayers have not managed to quell the mystery, nor the allure of these enigmatic creatures. It's clear that the mystery of Yeti and Bigfoot is far from being solved. So we continue to question, to search, to wonder. After all, isn't the pursuit of the unknown one of the most fascinating aspects of being human? Despite the skepticism, Yeti and Bigfoot have made a significant impact on our culture. These enigmatic creatures have permeated our arts and entertainment, becoming almost as real in our minds as the world we physically inhabit. Consider literature, where authors have used these creatures as symbols of the unknown and the unexplored. In children's books, they are often portrayed as misunderstood beings, teaching young readers about tolerance and acceptance. In horror novels, they represent our primal fears, lurking in the dark corners of our collective subconscious. Then there's the world of film and television, where Yeti and Bigfoot have taken on a life of their own. From the classic horror flicks of the mid-20th century to the recent surge of cryptid-centric reality shows, these creatures have become staples of the small and big screens. They serve as reminders of the mysteries that still exist in our world, sparking our curiosity and fueling our desire to explore. Even in the realm of advertising, Yeti and Bigfoot have found their niche. They've been used to sell everything from cars to insurance, their images invoking a sense of adventure and the allure of the unknown. And let's not forget about their influence on popular culture at large. They've inspired countless Halloween costumes, action figures, and even video games. They've become part of our everyday vernacular, with phrases like "finding Bigfoot" symbolizing an impossible or elusive task. Yeti and Bigfoot have transcended their origins as folkloric creatures and have become cultural icons. They represent our fascination with the unknown, our desire to uncover mysteries, and our ability to imagine beyond the boundaries of our current understanding. Whether they exist or not, Yeti and Bigfoot have certainly found a place in our collective imagination. Their cultural impact is undeniable, a testament to the power of myth and the enduring allure of the unexplored. So the next time you come across a reference to these elusive creatures, take a moment to appreciate their influence. It's quite remarkable, isn't it? So, what do you think about Yeti and Bigfoot? Are they real or just myths? We've traversed the snow-covered peaks of the Himalayas and the dense forests of North America together, exploring the lore of these elusive creatures. We've examined the sightings and the evidence, some compelling, some dubious. We've confronted the skepticism and debunking theories, questioning the very existence of these legendary beasts. Yet, amidst the skepticism and the disbelief, we've also observed the profound cultural impact of Yeti and Bigfoot. These creatures, real or not, have become symbols of the unknown, the unexplored, and the mysterious. They've inspired countless stories, movies, and even festivals, reflecting our fascination with the enigmatic. Whether you're a believer or a skeptic, it's important to keep an open mind. The world is full of mysteries waiting to be unraveled. And while the existence of Yeti and Bigfoot might remain a question mark, the thrill of the chase, the joy of exploring the unknown is what truly matters. So ponder on this. In a world full of mysteries, isn't it more exciting not to have all the answers? In the end, it's the journey, the quest for knowledge, that makes life truly interesting. If you enjoyed this video, do give us a thumbs up. Share your thoughts in the comments section and share this video with your friends. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay updated with more mysteries. Until next time, Keep exploring the unknown.